Magandang araw mga kaibigan, panibagong topic tayo for today's video pero bago yan mag-subscribe ka na at mag-follow para updated ka kapag may panibago tayong upload dito. Ngayong araw nga pag-uusapan natin ang presidente ng Senate na si Mig Zubiri dahil nag-out na pala ito sa Senado. Bakit kaya nag-resign si Senate President Zubiri dahil ba sa PDEA leak na pinayagan niya si Batu para maimbestigahan sa Senado? At ang pumalit naman sa kanya ay si Senator Chess Escudero.
Who stuck it out with me till the very end. Sir, I salute you, sir. I have never dictated my position on any of you. You know that. I've always supported your independence, which is probably why I face my demise today. I failed to follow instructions from the powers that be. Simple as that. I've listened to all my colleagues throughout my Senate presidency, and again, I listened to them today. As we head into a new period for the Senate, I fought the good fight. If I've ruffled some feathers in doing so, then so be it. Hindi ko tinanggap ang pagiging Pangulo ng Senado para lang hayaan na bumagsak ito. Today, I offer my resignation as Senate President of the Republic of the Philippines. And upon stepping down, I vow to serve as an independent member of the Senate. My allegiance as ever belonging only to the Filipino people. I leave with my head held high, knowing that I did what is right for the Senate and for the nation. I wish our new leadership the very best, and I pray that they will be steadfast in upholding the independence of this beloved institution. I will remain vigilant to make sure that the traditions and the rules of the Senate will remain steadfast. Once again, maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang Senado, mabuhay ang Republika ng Pilipinas.
At ayun naman sa Congress kahapon, bakit walang katapusang hearing patungkol kay Jonathan Morales as PDEA agent? Ito kaya ang dahilan kung bakit nag-resign si Mig Zubiri.
Any comments?
Di pa ba sila tapos?
May second meeting na next hearing po daw.
Ito lang talaga yung position ko. I really don't understand why so much time, money, and effort is being poured into something that has no value whatsoever. We have to trust the institutions of government. We have to trust our agencies. And numerous times, ilang beses pa ba kailangan ulitin yun, sinabi na po nila na walang katotohanan yung sinasabi ni Morales. Bakit pa pinipilit? Pati nga yung credibility ni Morales, questionable. Pati yung mga statements niya, hindi magtugma. So I really don't understand bakit pa siya binibigyan ng airtime. Not unless there's another intention for the hearing. And what makes it sad is that people who are private are being dragged into this mess that actually have no interest whatsoever in the alleged pa nga to, hindi pa nga napapatunayan ng totoo. Sana pinatunayan muna nila totoo bago nila idinamay yung mga pribadong individual. So, sa akin, kung na sila mag-aksaya ng panahon, tutukan na lang siguro nila yung rice clarification doon sa kayong amendments ng Constitution. I think yun ang mas mahalaga dahil ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, sikmura ng mamamayang Pilipino.
Thank you.
Rito naman mga komento ng ilan patungkol kay Mig Zubiri. So ano masasabi mo dito? Comments mo na dyan sa baba at para naman update ka sa mga upload ko, huwag kalimutang mag-like and follow. Thank you. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for watching. Ako si Philippine Vision TV, nagbabalita mula dito sa Pilipinas. Goodbye!